Overwhelmed by messy WooCommerce orders in Google Sheets? FlexOrder can easily sync and sort them for you. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type FlexOrder, and once it appears, click Install and then activate the plugin. After activation, head over to the FlexOrder section in the WordPress menu and click on Settings. There, you'll find an option labeled Allow Sorting on Google Sheets. Simply toggle this option on. Once it's enabled, new options will appear that let you set your sorting preferences. You can choose the sorting criteria, such as order ID, date, price, or items, and decide whether you want the order to be ascending or descending. What's really cool is that the changes will be reflected in your connected Google Sheet in real time. No need to refresh or manually sync. Just sit back and watch the orders get sorted automatically based on your settings. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more FlexOrder tips and updates. See you in the next one.